like.
Hello guys, this is Mechanical Software Tutorials. Today we are going to see about AutoCAD Beginners Exercise Tutorial 4. So in this tutorial we are going to draw this drawing with the help of AutoCAD. Okay. See, before start your drawing in AutoCAD, you have to categorize the drawing first. So categorizing the drawing, it's helpful to finish the drawing easily. So how you can categorize the drawing in the sense critical profile and uncritical profile. Okay, so critical and uncritical is which profile you can draw easily, that is uncritical. Okay, so which profile it slightly deviates your mind to whether right or wrong, it makes this particular profile or this angle. So there's so many confusion slightly create with your mind distraction. Okay, so that time you have to categorize the critical and uncritical. So this is slightly critical profile. Okay, then this is can easily draw this profile. Okay, so you have to categorize this type of things before start your drawing. Okay, so this is especially for beginners. Okay, so first thing I'm going to draw this critical profile. Okay, so I'm going to start with this particular circle. Okay, so in the circle they have given two diameter of circles. So one is 16 and another one is 36. So first thing I'm going to start with circle. So C is the shortcut, and I'm going to choose a randomly any point here, and diameter D to get diameter. One diameter is 16 and same center, and again D to get diameter. 36 is the diameter. Okay, so then you have to draw this particular profile. So in this particular profile we have to know this exact center point of this circle. So for that case we know the distance of this center point. So they have mentioned that particular height is 85 from this center point of this circle. Okay, so we need to find this vertical point of this exact coincidence. So the exact coincidence they have mentioned the same center as lies exact position of center point. Okay, so that we need to draw this particular reference for create this profile. Okay, so 85 is the distance from this particular center of circle. So first I'm going to use this kind of reference. X line is the most useful and simple tool. X line horizontal. So first thing, this is my center, so just I make it on a horizontal reference. Then same X line given a vertical because the both circle lies in the same vertical center. Okay, then they have mentioned this particular 85 is the height of this next circle center. So 85. So same thing, X line, get an offset option, go to get offset, then type it as 85 distance. So from here to here. So now we can get this particular exact center point of another circular profile. So same thing here, we are going to draw the again circle of both 26 diameter and 52 diameter. Okay, so 26 and 52. Here C is the shortcut to circle, press enter. So this is my a reference point of those circles. So selected here, then diameter D, and 52 is the diameter of one circle. C get circle again, this is my center, and again 26 is the diameter. So D to get diameter, 26 type. So you can get the two profile which they have given as reference dimensions. Okay, so next thing we have to draw this curved profiles. Okay, next thing we have to draw this curved profiles. So this curved profiles, in the sense they have mentioned the radius of 96 and radius of 42. Okay, so first we are going to do this particular curvy profile. So same thing, in this circle lies in the both circular with the profile of tangentially. Okay, so this tangentially we can create with the circle. Okay, so how, in the sense C to get circle, T to get tangent radius. So the tangent radius is, the circle lies in this circle with the tangentially, and here also tangentially with the radius of 42. So this is my first tangent and this is my next tangent. So the radius of 42. So 42 get, you can get this particular profile. So the next same thing, radius of 96. We are going to do the same ditto what we have done in 42 radius. So 96 is the radius. Again circle T to get tangent radius, and select this tangent and this tangent point and radius of 96. Okay, so now I can get this exact profile of which critical profile. So now the thing is, we are going to eliminate the unwanted objects. So TR to get trim and select the object whichever you are going to eliminate and press enter. Click or selected to, you can erase the unwanted object easily. Okay, so that, so here also, so another object you can select it and you can get erase it to get this profile. Okay, right. So the next thing you have to easily do the uncritical. So uncritical is easily you can draw this particular profile. So the next thing I am going to do here is this profile. So this profile, they have mentioned the dimension of 80 and 40 is the profile of this particular profile center point. So I am going to start in this particular center. Basically, while you are draw your drawing, you have to start with the reference point or center point. If you have circle profile or curved profile, in the sense, it's good to start with the center points. Okay, so here I'm going to start this particular point. So this particular point, how can I know? The thing is, distance 80 distance away from the center and height of 40 distance from away this particular circle center. Okay, okay, so I'm going to offset same Excel I'm going to use here now. So 40 and 80. So same Excel. Okay, offset a 40 distance of height. So this is my center reference and I'm going to do here 40. So the next thing, same X line offset, they have given 80 distance from this particular distance. So now I have got this exact center point of this point. Okay, this point I have got. So now 26 diameter they have given from this particular center point. So 26 diameter. So circle center point. So D to get diameter 26. Okay. So now I am going to draw this particular reference circle. Okay, it's nothing but a diameter of 60. Okay, so same thing, circle the center point and diameter 60. Okay, so the next thing is they have given an outer profile. So outer profile is nothing but this curve point. Okay, so this curve point, the radius of 42. Okay, so now I'm going to given same circle, center point and radius of 42. Okay, so almost I have done this another uncritical profile. Okay, so now they have also mentioned the similar simple circles. Okay, the simple circles they have now mentioned 10 diameter and 8 holes. So 8 holes, we have to draw the first hole which is exactly perfectly located in this drawing. So see, this is my reference circle, so it's exactly located where intersect the center point of 90 degree of this reference line and also this reference circle diameter of 60. Okay, so which both where intersect that point is a reference for my first circle with the diameter of 10. Okay, so C is the C to get circle, and I'm going to click this particular reference point where it intersects, and D to diameter 10 to get this diameter of this particular circle. So now I'm going to do the simple thing, select this object AR to get array, and I'm going to do polar array, this particular reference center point, and I need 8 numbers. So type it as 8 and you can get this exact 8 number of this thing. So associative, you have to untick it, so click close array. Okay, so the next thing is we have done this drawing almost over. So the next thing, they have given this, so they have given this 2 lines. Okay, so these 2 lines, so these 2 lines we have to draw by our own. So how we can do the thing is, so line, so basically we need to operate a particular object line in the sense. Okay, press and hold the shift key and click your right mouse button, you will get all those snap points. Okay, so we need exactly tangent, so all those lines lies in this tangentially. Okay, so I need the first line tangent is this particular point, so again I need to place my this line to tangentially. So press shift key and hold it and press left mouse button, you will get this exactly this all those snap points and tangent can easily place it. Okay, some cases you can easily mirror it. Okay, so I'm showing that is not proper, it is error. So why it shows error in the sense, this is my mirror objects. Okay, this is my center. Yes, so I have mirrored, but it's exactly not to coincide in this profile. Why? In the sense, this profile is ununiform. Okay, so if the profile are uniform in the sense, you can easily mirror to get this exact profile where here to get this side also. So you cannot mirror to get this exact thing. So I'm going to erase it. Same thing what you have done this side, I have to do here also. So line and shift key to get tangent and this point and again tangent and this particular. So now we can get this exact drawing here to in this page. Okay, so now you have to eliminate the unwanted objects. So TR to get trim and select the object which are all I am going to eliminate. So enter. Then here we don't need that, and this one also, and this two. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we can use this reference line also by using circle it and trim. Okay, eliminate the unwanted objects and also select the circle and erase it. This reference line you can use it also as a reference or center point thing, you can utilize it. Okay, so I hope you guys you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, see you with next drawing and next tutorial. Okay, bye.